What's good, YouTube? This your boy Ghost Fighter 2 T's. You know I'm back with another informative video, and today we will be reviewing the Google Home Mini, which is this thing packs a punch. It's small but mighty. So with that being said, the first thing I want to do is thank my buddy Diverse for blessing me with this gift. So here we're gonna give him a thumbs up and a sub. So there is his channel, and give him a thumbs up. Go give him a subscribe and a thumbs up. I appreciate that, guys. I thank you, Diverse, for blessing me. Just like I did a video of me doing a controller giveaway to one of my buddies who kept complaining about it, and I didn't do it because I had to. I did it because I wanted to bless someone else that was in need. You know, God can bless you guys as well, brother. No matter how big or how small it is, He can bless you. I haven't recently, but I want to start doing some scripture and some Bible scripture to encourage you guys on your path in your life, to help you be better at whatever it is that you're going through. And I think I'll drop that first one today, maybe to help you guys. But today we're going to do the unboxing, and once we're done with the part of the unboxing, I'll therefore do part of the video which is going to show the Google Mini actually in action working. I haven't really figured out how to really set it up yet, but I will figure it out, and I will have that in the video as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. I like opening things, man. And I must say, all the reviews that I've done, I would have to say that I've been quite successful in the reviews that I've done, whether it been for a car or whether it's been for the tab is underneath. So if you have the box like this, it's a tab underneath the box. You just pull this tab like so. Ooh. And it pops the top. That was easy. And there you have it, man. The power button is under, oh no, that's just the Google logo. And it has this grippy stuff, so I'll show you. So it doesn't move. I mean, and I'm actually trying to move it. It's moving the little cushioning that's on top of it, but literally, I cannot move this. This is crazy. What you eating over there, trainer? They over there eating some food on the floor. What's going on? Alright, so it has this grip. It also has a mic mute off and on when you don't want the Google Mini to respond to you. And then of course it has the little mini HDMI there. And I think that's it as far as what's on the outside of it. Now what I will tell you with this is, if you touch it on one side and touch it on the other when this is plugged in and ready to go, it will actually turn the volume up and down of it. So there's that. Let me tilt the camera down some so that you can kind of see the, and then that's nothing. Okay. I don't think there's nothing else in the box. So some people like to see that there's nothing else in the box if you do your own unboxing, and that's what you're gonna get. I'll put this is basically, let's get started. So it's kind of like a menu, kind of show you what to do. Plug it in, get the app. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put the app on my phone, and then get to know your Google, and it's like be safe. It just shows you how you start to talk to it. You just start it by saying, okay Google, and then living room, play The Crown of Netflix on my TV. So I'll probably be using this in my room because my smart TV is in my room. So I will be adding the app for this, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty much self-explanatory with the unboxing. And here is the cord, which I've never seen a weird cord like this. And I thought maybe this would come with a USB and then a plug, but it seems like whatever's inside of this has to be, let me switch you guys back up. I gave blood today too. It has to be actually plugged into an actual power down into a strip or in the wall. It won't work as far as you having it plugged into just USB. Cause see, I was just gonna plug it in right where I have my stuff at, but you can take these little pieces off. Come with these little pieces that twines it up. And then the cord comes pretty long. See, the cord's pretty long. And there's a mini HDMI there. So you just plug it in here like so, right side up. Boom, it's plugged in. And then it does not move. Look, my table's moving. This thing got a grip on it, man. So you take and plug this in the wall, and then I'm assuming once I plug it in the wall, it's gonna cut on. So I'll come back with some video, me talking to the Google and communicating with it, and I'll make sure that I record it. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the unboxing. I'll be back with the next part of the video. Thank you. Okay, Google, set my volume to 50%. Okay, Google, who is the current president?
Its president is Donald Trump.
What is Donald Trump's age, Google? You see, it doesn't do anything. Okay, Google, what is Donald Trump's age?
He's 74 years old.
Okay, Google, do you think that that's too old for a president? 74?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, Google, what is your birthday?
I was launched in 2016, but Google celebrates its birthday on September 27th. So maybe we can share.
I hope you guys enjoyed the Google and what it will do for you. And if I were you, I'd be smart with having one of these type of machines around. Our phones already do it, but don't be saying and doing things you shouldn't be doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. This concludes my unboxing and preview of the Google. If you touch the top on one side, the volume goes all the way up, or you can turn the volume all the way down by just touching on the sides. See, turns it up and down. Okay, Google, turn off.
Sorry, power control is not supported yet.
So you hear I told Google to try to turn off. It doesn't do it, but I'm pretty sure it's always listening. Anyway, guys, make sure you drop me a like, a sub, and a comment if you guys enjoyed this video. This will conclude the unboxing of the Google Mini. And again, shout out to my boy Diverse on blessing me with this gift. Treat others how you want to be treated, and you'll get blessed in return. This is Ghost 2 T's, and I'm out.